Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest shrimp that you've ever had. Plump, tender shrimp get coated in a flavorful, crispy coating of potato chips. I'm going to show you how it's done. The super crunchy coating comes from good old potato chips. Today I'm using a Dill Pickle potato chip, and there is no particular brand that is better than the other. So buy what you can find. The recipe calls for 200 grams of potato chips. This bag is 235 grams, so I might snack on one or two, but I'm going to dump the whole bag in the processor. And just give them a whiz to help break them down. And then add the remaining potato chips along with 3 tablespoons of flour, a little bit of dried dill, and I'm using the dill today because I have dill pickle chips, a pinch of salt, and pepper. And you'll want to process the chips until they're completely broken down. But don't worry about over-processing. They will only break down so far. Now we're going to go ahead and make a traditional breading station. And that's 3 different components, one being our outer coating of chips, the second being seasoned flour. And don't worry, I will have the full recipe for you in the description. And an egg wash station, which is simply eggs whisked with a little bit of milk. I have some lovely large shrimp here, about 21 to 25 per pound size. The tail is intact and they have been deveined. It's important to pat your shrimp dry. Starting with the flour, we're going to add 5 or 6 shrimp. Give them a toss to coat evenly. From the flour, we're going to shake them off and toss them in the egg wash. And then finally, from the egg wash to the potato chip coating. And from here, we're going to place them on a parchment-lined tray. And it's really nice that you can prep this in advance for company. And then simply repeat until all the shrimp are coated. And the other fun thing about this recipe is you can use any flavor of chip that you like. So you could try them with a barbecue and serve them with an Alabama white sauce, or sour cream and onion served with ranch. It's really a fun and versatile recipe. I'll take a moment to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear any comments or feedback that you might have as well. All right, now we're ready to fry our shrimp. You're going to heat a minimum of 4 inches of canola oil until it reaches 350 degrees. By all means, you can use an electric deep fryer as well. Once your oil is hot, go ahead and add 5 or 6 shrimp at a time and cook for about 3 minutes until golden. And once the shrimp are cooked, go ahead and remove them to a paper towel lined plate. And just look at that gorgeous crunchy coating. Today I'm serving these delicious shrimp with my creamy caper dill sauce. And you'll find the video for that recipe pop up towards the end of this video. Super crispy and flavorful. These shrimp are a party snack winner. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'd appreciate any comments or feedback that you might have. We'll see you again.